Part 2 is not really happening, but I am still playing with this. So I'm going to put a link under the video, and I'm going to keep blowing into it like I have been. Slowly releasing some cells. I also used my little acetate tool to swipe down through again, and that didn't hurt anything either. And then I decided, because I can, to put some spirals in, and I really like the way they look so much it made me decide to go ahead and call it a part 2, even though it's not going to be for very long. I just want to show you how I finish things, which I don't always do. Seems only fair I should. So I took these long marks and I made them into a focal point by waggling them. And I don't think it's a bad idea at all. And I'm almost done. So you saw everything you needed to see at the end of part 1. And the only thing that I have a complaint about is this issue over here. But everything else is so cool, I guess I'm just going to learn to live with it. And this end is just different than that end. I'm not going to try and redo anything. I could put some more waggles in, I suppose. I did find some more color. My edges are pretty well done. I love you guys. I think I told you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. If I didn't, I am now. I'm hoping that'll seal itself back up. I think a couple waggles to make it match the rest probably won't hurt anything, because I really don't have enough black in there. And even though I'm dragging down to canvas, I know it'll just leave a slight mark, an indentation, and not ruin anything. Okay, I think that's it. Put one more spiral there. Use the leftover paint. Yeah, I'm a big fan of spirals. They make me happy. I think I mentioned that before. I think that's a good idea. Put some spirals at the end of those little so they look like little shoots of some kind. Okay, that's pretty cool. Maybe one more over here. Remember to pop the bubbles that appear in spirals. And now I want another one. Yep, now I'm going to do another one. And that seems more cohesive to me. I love that word. When I won for Fine Art 2017 in the local show, Fine Art Collection of Abstract Art, they called it cohesive, and I like that. Yes, I'm still playing. There's no reason when something already went a little bit sideways not to continue sideways. I think, anyway. I mean, what else is this space for unless I'm going to make something interesting out of it? All right. I told you take care of each other, take care of yourselves at the end of part 1. And I hope you do. And I'll see you on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.